fat cat on a Saturday. Yeah.
It's a Monday.
Oh, on a Monday, yeah. All I do is I sit around on my butt and I eat donuts. I'm fat. Yeah, I'm a fat cat. I'm a dog. I live the dog life. Oh, Billy.
Go to Tay and Nicole. No, it's like, give me some smoochie. Quick, kitty. Let's go. You have doggy love all over you.
Now we will go see our humongous mastodon and our wonderful, adorable beagle and our worthless dog. There's a fence between them. They're not fighting.
Going green, baby. It's a dog. Nugget!
Get the stupid. Get the stupid. Get the little stupid. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that! You're so cute. You are cute, Nuggie. We're coming, Titan.
Titan!
Oh my God! You're doing so big!
As you can see, he likes to slobber a lot.
I thought he was a guy. I thought he was a human for a second. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I know. Oh, the dog gets scratched between your eyes.
Oh, wow, dude, don't put the